How to find budget customer service email. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, I'm in this page, which is legal document travel notice of the budget's website. Here, if you scroll down, you'll find budget emergency updates. And below budget emergency updates, you'll find 4 customer inquiries. Please email. Copy the email and then open Gmail app. Click on Compose on the top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Compose, here in Recipients type in the code you copied earlier and then click on Reservation Help. Type in Reservation Help and at the bottom you can simply email them anything you want and press on Send. This is how to find budget customer service email. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.